You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I made my mind. It is always trials and tribulations. Child, child, child. Kissing in Paris, I guess we could do it in French. Wow. Eating low maintenance, child for now, child, child. She got me wildin' now. Rory Italian, child for now, child, child. Yeah, she making that ass shake, breaking that bait till her back break. Wow. Yeah, yeah. Crazy how you managed to make me into a sponsor. You got me paying for shit. You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I made my mind. It is always.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to another vlog. It is your girl Yamii here. We're getting ready for the day. I don't really have nothing planned today, but I do not like sitting in the house like all day, and I did that yesterday. We're gonna go out today and just do something random. It is like 3 o'clock right now, so yeah, we're about to hurry up and do my hair and leave the house. But what I was gonna say, my friend yesterday got this viral ice cream that's like trending on TikTok, and I'm like, girl, like I was literally looking for that, and I thought like the grocery store that's by my house had it, because they have like a lot of like literally everything, like Asian stuff, they have Mexican stuff, they even have like African stuff. So I'm thinking, okay, like they would for sure have the ice cream, but they did. So when I saw my friend posted it yesterday, I'm like, girl, where did you find that at? Because she literally lives like 15 or like 20 minutes away from me, and she let me know where she got it. So we're about to head there now so we can try the ice cream. I'm gonna go ahead and quickly do my hair. I'm not gonna put on no light makeup or nothing, because honestly it's like 90 degrees outside. I just got my lashes done too, and I washed the other day, so I don't want to get it dirty. So yeah, we're just gonna quickly get ready and be on our way.
I made it for nothing, no turn into something from nothing, yeah. Made it through property on our minority, you hear my story. Hop on the jet on my property and fly away. Fly, fly, fly away. I'm in prison, yeah, yeah. Straight out the trenches, yeah, yeah. My niggas can't whip me, yeah, yeah. The richest, the richest, the richest, yeah. Rich nigga got some seats, yeah. All of these hoes can't wait, yeah. All them ever get it, can't beat, yeah, yeah, yeah. I try to fight,
Literally. Okay, so we got the ice cream. We went to Tokyo Kuma. I got the mango one, and I got the peach one. I think I'm gonna try the peach one because I feel like I seen. Hold on, I'm sorry, I'm on the phone. I'm gonna try the peach one because I see more people try the peach than the mango. So yeah, we're gonna try it. Let me take a picture first. How do you open this? It's a little cracked.
It's a it like that. Yeah, you know.
Right.
Take the bottom part out. Oh no, but they said the bottom part is supposed to be there, so like.
Okay, ready? My doors are locked. Mmm. It's actually good. I like it. It tastes like peach, but then this tastes like the hard stuff tastes like white chocolate. I don't even like ice cream like that, so I'll rate this a. Actually, let me finish eating and I'm gonna tell you my rating. So we just came, well, I just came back from Perimeter Mall. I was gonna do some light shopping in there, but honestly, it's dumb hot outside, and it was dumb hot in that mall too. And Zara's having a sale going on, and I don't like shopping. I don't like shopping in Zara when they're having a sale, especially when their sale just started. Like, it's just too chaotic for me. Even though I do need some nice clothes, but I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna go home, relax. The rest of my mango ice cream, the peach one slapped. That peach one was so freaking good, y'all. So I'm gonna eat the mango one, and I'm gonna cook some dinner. I am gonna make some rasta pasta tonight, chicken rasta pasta tonight. So I'm gonna vlog that, and I think that'll be really, really good. So yeah, we're just gonna go home and relax. Hey guys, so it's the next day. Right now we're about to head to the post office because I need to drop off some packages that my girls ordered. If you guys didn't know, I do sell lash products. I will leave my website down below as well as a coupon code if you guys want to shop. It is hot. Like, I can't. I know my car's like, bitch, like, where are we? Because my apartment before, like, the way I was parking was like underneath, like, it wasn't like outside, so I didn't have the experience with like the sun beaming down on my car. But here it's completely different because the whole parking is like outside, and my car is hot right now. Like, my car says 102 degrees, and it's kind of crazy. Like, so yeah, I'm about to just wait for my car to cool down, and we're gonna head to the post office.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know you taste this a little bit. High maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. It's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that. Pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation rule a nation, I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know.
I forgot my camera in the car, and I'm literally not gonna get it. But I just came back home from hanging out with my friend. We had a good night. We had dinner and hookah. So yeah, the place was really, really nice. Like, literally 10 out of 10. I'm just taking off my makeup right now with this Clinique take the day off like cleansing oil. So that's why my face looks like this. I'm just gonna take my makeup off and do my skincare off, and then watch a show. I'm watching Bridgerton right now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do my little skincare routine.
Right here in the city, and you don't run from where we come from. That sound like poetic justice.